I didn't expect to ever build a boat, and I certainly didn't expect to build one after another after another. I'm Bob Heidenreich. I believe boat building can be therapeutic for anybody.
My name's Johnny Turner. I'm retired Special Forces.
I met Johnny Turner when I was at Fort Bragg. We served in Desert Storm together.
I built a lot of things, but I've never built a boat. Bob explained to me that, building boats is really kind of giving him peace.
It had been 7 years since I'd seen John. Been a while.
It's good seeing you, man. How you doing?
Great. Ready to do this?
I'm ready. Let's go.
But when you're soldiers together at a young age, it's an automatic reconnection. And minutes after we see each other, we're knee deep in building a boat. But that's not going to matter since you're going to cut a notch out of all of these here and there. You could do that.
I've never owned a boat. I've never had a boat. I've never built a boat, obviously. With this particular boat, I'm going to pour everything I have into it.
The construction of the ribs is a very satisfying step. You can lay them out on the ground and you can see the size and the shape of the boat.
Just building that, and then I looked at it and I said, that wood turned into this.
The chine runs from the back of the boat up to the front. One of the first questions that everyone asks, how did you bend the wood?
As you place that piece of wood on there, it's nice and straight, and then you have to force that wood into that bend. I was expecting that to snap at any moment, but Bob had a great technique.
Wrap towels around it, pour some boiling water on it, be patient, wait.
And then as you see that board just flex right into the joint, it was absolutely amazing.
I think building boats is such a mental game. I think it's therapeutic for people who have trouble with PTSD.
Building a boat is definitely something that could help certain veterans kind of occupy that mind. They can create friendships or kind of rekindle those old friendships that they had.
When somebody who's never built a boat before gets it in their head that they're going to do it, then that's a real sense of adventure. That's almost like a journey.
It's so much more than just the pieces and parts. It can be really, really exciting to get in the water in something that I built with my hands.